Today was absolutely beautiful. Light winds, temperatures on the mild side, and we had a lot of sunshine, but now clouds continue to push into the South Plains. Check it out. We are dealing with those clouds pushing into the region because we've got a southerly flow. Moisture is being pumped in, and we're going to continue to be dealing with moisture all across the South Plains. Now, if you're up towards the north, such as in the Panhandle, you have not yet received that dense cloud cover, but don't worry, it's headed your way. We've got a lot of clouds coming in, pushing their way from the southwestern portion, then moving up towards the north and east. As they do, they're filtering in more moisture. We're seeing it in the form of cloud cover, but a system's going to come through later tomorrow, which could give us some actual moisture on the surface. Temperatures right now, we're coming in 64 degrees in Amarillo, 65 in the hub. Check out Ruidoso, a mild 50 degrees, and you head further off towards the east where we are seeing those temperatures in the upper 60s. In your backyard, we're seeing the 60s across the board. Just a phenomenal and mild day. Really nice, especially compared to all that wind, dust, dirt, and hot temperatures that we experienced yesterday. Now, the main topic of conversation is rainfall. When are we going to see the rain? Well, we're looking to stay clear overnight. We will be dealing with quite a bit of cloud cover coming in, but as far as rainfall, we're going to be lacking overnight. But we head into tomorrow morning where we are going to be dealing with some of that precipitation. It's going to start off down towards the south and eastern zones, and then we'll also be dealing with a band of showers up towards Amarillo. This is going to continue to build, coming in from the south, moving northward as we head into the lunch hour. Some of these storms could turn close to severe limits at times. We are looking to see high wind gusts. Obviously, we want to see a lot of rainfall out of them, and of course cloud to ground lightning. So be extremely careful. If you do hear thunder roar, head immediately indoors. That system is going to really linger up in the Panhandle and just north of Childress. But that's not the end. We've got another system coming through as we go further into Saturday evening that's going to stay well to the south and pushing its way eastward. Then we have system number 3. So we've got 3 chances to see rainfall. This system really pays attention along the Texas-New Mexico state line, being able to see some of that rainfall. And then we have heavier bands of rain anticipated further off towards the east of the rolling plains. So if you're traveling, pack the rain boots, especially if you're headed eastward. But definitely, we've got 3 chances to see that rainfall, and we hope that we all are able to see some. But pinpointing the locations that will see the rain, when and where, well, if you're in the Panhandle tomorrow, you've got a 60% chance of seeing that rainfall. That also does include non-Panhandle areas such as into Plainview up and along I-27. If you are off into the rolling plains, we're talking about Hub City over towards Clovis, pushing into the rolling plains just to the south of Childress, you've got a 30% chance of seeing rainfall. Elsewhere, we're looking to see right about 10%. But we all have a chance of seeing it. Then you head on into Sunday, where the highest percentage is right along the Texas-New Mexico state line, where we are indicating we could be dealing with some thunderstorms at times. The rest of us looking to see that 10% shot. But remember, when you're looking for that 10% shot, you had a higher percentage the previous day and vice versa. So we are all looking to see some rainfall and definitely praying for it. As far as rain totals are concerned, we're not looking to have a high rain total range, but we're going to be dealing with some. Many locations will be less than 1/4 of an inch, but this is just one model run. We could be dealing with some isolated areas that are dealing with heavier amounts. So, but anything helps out when it comes to the drought. Temperatures for tomorrow, 42 degrees for the low, 64 by the afternoon. We will be dealing with those isolated showers and thunderstorms, some of which could potentially get close to severe limits. We'll continue to keep an eye on the sky. And as we head into Sunday, another chance of that rainfall, majority of it staying along the Texas-New Mexico state line. Monday, a cold front comes through, giving us another shot. This one is not looking as great of a chance as the rest of them, but definitely we do have a shot of seeing that rainfall. Temperatures will be in the 60s for the weekend, then we warm back and we head back into the 80s by next week. So basically, everyone, you need to get your umbrellas out or just head over to McGavock and you can win one. Congratulations to Kathy Potter. She headed over to McGavock Nissan, registered, and obviously won. So head over there. We'll be announcing a winner Monday through Friday during the 6 and 10 o'clock news. That's 10 chances per week that you could win an umbrella.
The more